Hi students, welcome back to a new grammar session. In this class, we will learn about some basic terms that we use in English grammar. Understanding these terms clearly will help you in the transformation of sentences from direct to indirect, active to passive, and also in the analysis of simple, compound, and complex sentences. This is a high-yield topic from the point of view of class 10 and 12 board exams. Let us now move on to the topic proper. Word அப்படின்னா தமிழில் சொல் அல்லது வார்த்தை எனப்படும். ஃப்ரேஸ் என்பதற்கு சொற்றொடர் அல்லது ஒரு சில வார்த்தைகள் ஒன்று சேர்ந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு அர்த்தம் கொடுக்கும். கிளாஸ் என்பது வாக்கியத்தின் ஒரு பகுதி அல்லது பிரிவு. அடுத்தது சென்டென்ஸ் அப்படின்னா வாக்கியம் என்று பொருள். அது சொற்களின் தொகுப்பு. இதில் முழுமையான அர்த்தம் இருக்கும். A word is a group of letters with a clear meaning. It is a basic unit of language. Words can be classified according to their action and meaning as noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, or interjection. Example: ball, walk, they, on, clean, etc. Phrase is a group of words within a sentence. A phrase can perform many functions in a sentence. A phrase does not contain a subject or a finite verb of its own. I repeat, a phrase does not contain a finite verb or a subject of its own. Let us see some examples. There is a temple at the top of the hill. In this sentence, the words at the top of the hill form a phrase. As this phrase describes the location of the temple, it performs the function of an adjective. Early to bed is a good habit. In this sentence, the words early to bed form a phrase. This phrase performs the function of a noun in this sentence. Clause is a group of words which forms a part of a sentence and contains a subject and a predicate of its own. For example, I bought a sofa which is made of wood. This sentence has two parts. Part 1, I bought a sofa. Part 2, which is made of wood. Note that which here refers to the sofa. Now, in part 1, I is the subject, bought a sofa is the predicate. In part 2, the word which, that is the relative pronoun that refers to the sofa, is the subject. Is made of wood is the predicate. A clause can be either independent or dependent. Let us consider the following example. We bought a car which is red in color. The above sentence contains two parts. We bought a car is the first part, which is red in color is the second part. The clause we bought a car stands by itself as a complete sentence. It is therefore called the main clause or independent clause or principal clause. The clause which is red in color is dependent on the main clause for its complete sense. It is therefore called the dependent or subordinate clause. In a nutshell, a word is a group of letters. A phrase is a group of words without a subject and a finite verb. A clause is a group of words with a subject and a predicate. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence contains a subject and a predicate. Let us see some examples. Honey is sweet. Varun takes care of his sister very well. The part which refers to a person or a thing is the subject. For example, honey and Varun. The part which tells something about the subject is called the predicate. For example, is sweet and takes care of his sister very well. We have already discussed about sentences and kinds of sentences in a separate video. The video link will be updated in the description box. Having learnt about these basic terms, try answering the exercises given below. Here are the answers for the previous video's exercises. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.